Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Since I was born, been stacking my coin. These niggas pop, my money keep growing. Your girl is a dot, she all on my groin. She blowing my horn, we fuck like porn. These rappers is whack, they lyrics is corn. I'm getting this money, it never get born. I'm loading my strap, they calling the law. Fuck around and you clap, for running your jaw. If it ain't about the dollars then it don't make sense. Got me sipping brown water, but it ain't from Flint. Trying to chase all this bread, though the shit won't last. About to shut the city down like a crypto crash.
Fuck it. Do it live. I'll write it and we'll do it live.
Okay. Ready?
Fucking thing sucks. We'll do it live. Okay.
That's right. We're doing it live, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Friday show live stream. Let's get into it. We're right there at listen, we dipped below 100K again. I told you we would, but I would have to say things are looking a little promising for the Bulls. I'll explain in today's episode. Hit the like button, share the stream. I'll look at some trades as well, see if we can make some money today with you. All that on today's episode is coming up, baby. Let's go. So let's first go ahead and bring up what I'm talking about as far as what looks promising. Somewhat promising. It's only on the 1 hour, but somewhat promising price action going on here. So over the morning, we ended up rolling over again, which I thought we would. We didn't even make it back up here to the flash crash wick, which was previous support, now future resistance, or current resistance, I should say. So we did not even make it back up there. We created another A. Okay. But what's important and what's interesting at this point, we got one V, we got another V, and it looks like we might be forming a third V down here. For what? What does that mean? That is an inverted head and shoulders, ladies and gentlemen, potentially. I don't know. Shout out to the Zcash is going crazy. What the hell is going on? Something huge is going on. I don't know about all of that, but something huge is going on with Zcash. Someone knows something. What do they know? See, money talks. And when I mean money talks, if you have out of nowhere, an influx in money siphoning off into a particular project, they know something. It's not for no reason. We need to investigate that at some time. Printing time, you already know it, baby. Bloodalytics printing coming up soon, my friend. We're about to print some cash, hopefully. I'll take a look at the Scalpalytics Pro signal, which you guys know I use on a daily basis on my live streams. You guys can join this powerful tool and using it, I should say, today, right now. Got a couple flavors for you to pick from. It's a lot of BNB, Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is what we'll be using, and SUI and XRP. I need to do a Zcash one, ladies and gents. I need to optimize the Scalpalytics Pro to some Zcash. Maybe I'll have a privacy coin pack. If I do that, what other coin should we include in that privacy coin pack? Zcash and what else? Let me know. Let a brother know. So it is slightly looking promising this Friday morning. I can't call it a V shape yet. I need more bars. Need more bars. Because I feel like we are going to head lower, at least to 9.6. But we're hovering above that 100K marker right now. Essentially, that's where we're getting that V shape, potentially second V shape. Now, $100,000 isn't really anything significant, ironically enough. It's not anything significant from my, just off the top of my memory. I don't recall 100K other than being a psychological whole number, but we blew right through 100K the first time we got there. So that's what's kind of weird. It was weird when we just blew right through it. I thought we would get a big move down at $100,000, but been seeing random ads in my city. Oh, for Monero or Zcash? Which one? This is interesting. Breakcoin. Maybe it's not organic. Maybe it is a marketing push. I don't know. I'm not too sure, guys. Has anyone else seen any Zcash marketing materials or campaigns in their cities? Oh, Monero. Okay, you've been seeing Monero. So the Zcash one might be organic, ladies and gentlemen. It just might be. So again, this is what I'm looking at, promising for the bulls at 100,000. Though the reason I don't think this is because this is not a real support area in my book. The real support area is 96, 97 range. So I think this is a false floor where we will get another leg down at least to 9.6, which is another 4% lower. Maybe we'll do that over the weekend if we don't see that action during intraday trading. Okay. And then we'll make our assessment at 96K. Now, refreshing CNBC to get a pulse on the NASDAQ down 2%. It's not going to be a good day for Bitcoin. It's not going to be a good day for crypto. I'm just going to tell you right now off the rip. Just off the rip. It's not going to be a good day unless somehow stocks turn around. I don't see 2% down already. It's a big move. Up or down. It's a big move for NASDAQ. Small hats pushing it. No, I don't. Okay. Hey, I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know why they would be pushing it. Buy Zcash. Yeah, Zcash is clearly it, man. Printing time. We got House of Trade restreaming this stream. Thank you, my friend. Appreciate it. I appreciate it. So let's go ahead and see if we can get some trades in today, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if we can make some money here, ladies and gentlemen. Hyben said, I'm going outside and touching grass today. Hyben, you better sell that damn long position, man. This shit is excuse my language. This is this is a critical time period right now. We got to be all hands on deck. Crypto Manta says alts are moving. Bloodalytics print money again. We will. Listen. Let's try to do it for them live, though, man. You know they love to see it live. They don't believe the system. House of Trades. They need to see it live. They need to see it live. Let's go ahead and go over to Scalpalytics Pro for Bitcoin and Ethereum. At this juncture, we have a short trade that we've been in since Jesus died. I mean, and resurrected. Got to remember the resurrection. I mean, we've been in this short since Thursday morning. I'm sorry. Thursday morning. Yikes. That's pretty much we've exhausted this trade. There's nothing left. Scraping the bottom of the can right now, or the pan. Now, on the other hand, Ethereum, we did go short. So I see why you're saying money printing for you there, my friend, House of Trades. We went short during your session, London session, short at 3:40 a.m. Eastern Standard, and look at all that money made there. 50% take profit there, another 25, another 25, another 25, and boom, chakalaka. We closed that trade at 9:30. Tried to go long, or did go long, not try. Took 50%. So we went long here at 9:40. Took 50% of our profits here at 10:17ish, and we have dipped below or back to entry. And now we're past entry. I couldn't even get in the damn trade. God darn it, man. Couldn't even get in the trade. So I missed the opportunity for us to go long. But if you subscribe to the signal, you got all those good trades already locked and loaded. Locked and loaded, my friend. So we shall see what happens here in regards to this play, this signal, a long trade on Ethereum for this session to close out. Again, it looks promising. It looks a bit promising for us. It definitely does look promising for the bulls on today, at least, because of these this attempted buy to defend the $100,000 line this morning. But with NASDAQ looking the way it is looking, I'm not all that confident. Good morning, AI Griff. Oh, it feels good watching these markets. I'm sure it does for him. I'm still above my exit. I'm still way above my exit. I got most of mine out at $80,000 Bitcoin, $78,000 Bitcoin. So we're still above where I exited, but AI Griff was able to get out near the top. Congrats to him. So I'm just waiting for us to get below my exit, and then we'll be feeling good again. It's not really a long. It's raw Bitcoin I'm buying. I might slide into a cold search. I got you. Hey, raw is always the best, my friend. I'm just saying. So yes, you can go outside and touch some grass for sure. No leverage. Let BlackRock have Bitcoin. I sold my Bitcoin bag that I held for 6.5 years. And I was hitting the button, many years of DCA, and basically it's my retirement. Wow. That's big. That's a big statement and bold move for you there, buddy. Very bold move. Bitcoin has been compromised. Yes, long time ago. Started saying it in 2018. That's why, my message and along with other things, my message wasn't very popular. I don't get a lot of eyeballs with being a realist and not just going with the herd and buy and hodl no matter what. I'm expecting people like Michael Saylor to say that, because he is from that cloth. He is from the BlackRocks, the Citadels, the JP Morgans, any of the Wall Street guys, man. He's from that cloth. So of course because they've compromised and taken over Bitcoin from a price perspective, he's going to say these things. I heard if you smack the light today, you'll make at least 20% profits today. Wow. I mean, hey, I love that. Crypto City in the building. Thanks for tuning in. Ah, you bought Zcash. All right, all right. No reason to round trip again. Damn. So how many of you guys, I'm seeing a lot of comments, like how many of you guys feel like it's over for Bitcoin as far as the original thesis and intent of Bitcoin has completely gone away? No longer in the ethos of Bitcoin. Hall X Theory in the building. What's going on? Thank you for tuning in. Hit that like button, my friend. Hit that like button. How many of you guys think that it's over? I've been saying it has been over. Me, crypto, my guy Rice Crypto, you know, Chris Rice, Rice TVX. We've both been saying this for a long time. Highly compromised. And now we all see it's just Wall Street's darling. For now. They'll turn on it too. But we are getting to move up, as our guy said it earlier. Crypto Mansa said alt's moving. And sure enough, look at this chart. This is my favorite chart. Total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, guys. We are moving up and we're getting close to the bloodline here. The bloodline, which is, you hear the chicka-chings, you hear the money printing. We're getting close to that bloodline. If we cross over that, it's going to be a nice move up because we've been below this bloodline since October 28th, which is a fairly decent amount of time being below there, right? I mean, you take the ruler and measure it out. That's a 9 days below the, and I mean, we haven't seen, I guess this was an extended period below the bloodline as well. But ever since that top, man, it's been pretty bearish. Now, if we can get above this bloodline and make a solid move and cross above it and close above it on the 1 hour, oh boy, we are in good shape. And the bulls would have averted another crisis. Gabrielle says the price needs to go up. Yeah, for bulls, for sure. For bears, no, the price needs to go down. It's still stronger than ever, referring to Bitcoin, not in the slightest. It's still stronger than ever. Wisdom Bar says it's meant for everyone, so it's doing what it's supposed to do. Interesting. So as far as the tech, yes, the tech is strong, though I am very concerned about Bitcoin going to zero because of quantum computing. No, again, very unpopular thought there. Huh? Blood? What are you talking about? Bitcoin is forever. What are you talking about? Hodl till you die. And give it to your multiplies, your seeds. No, I think there is a serious threat to Bitcoin, and that is quantum supremacy. And the way that the nature of decentralized networks, the nature of them is that in the case of Bitcoin specifically, like if you don't get enough nodes to update, there will have to be another there literally have to be like a hard fork, a literal chain reset, because you're going to have a lot of people that aren't going to update their wallet. So of course, a lot of wallets are on exchanges. So a lot of money is on exchanges, but the money that's on cold storage, if you're not using an updated, if you don't migrate your wallet to a new wallet, let's say a post quantum type of wallet, then you're in trouble. Those funds are going to be stolen at some point in the future. So there will have to be a huge coordinated effort to upgrade all core systems, and get everyone migrated to new wallets. And how hard is that going to be at this point in the game? It's going to be pretty hard. Now, Big Crypto Blood said that, my friend. I've been saying that for years. I mean, I'm not saying that Face didn't say it too, but I've been saying that. That's what I've been saying for since 17. Bitcoin works at 1 million, $1, doesn't matter. It's a peer-to-peer transaction. Absolutely. I've been saying that for years, man. So Crypto Face, stop stealing my lines, my friend. Quantum computing is going to be more focused on other things other than Bitcoin, especially considering how much it's going to cost to. It's not going to so that's the thing. It's not going to cost anything to hack Bitcoin if those qubit sizes are growing at the rate they're growing. It ain't gonna cost them nothing. It's not gonna cost them anything, Wisdom Bars. Bitcoin is a lady in the night. She used to be clean, but now she's dirty and untrustworthy. Oh man, that was a great one, AI. Okay. Apparently, Zcash is pre-built to be quantum resistant eventually. See, now we're on to something, Breakcoin. We might be on to something as far as why everyone is fleeing to Zcash. If this is the case, have not looked into it, but if this is the case, I'm sure this is the thing that you got to remember. And I've run through this scenario so many times. Eventually, so how it works with this, I call it quantum cliffhanger for Bitcoin and other coins. How it's going to work is you won't see like just all of a sudden a day we hit a wall, like an event horizon where, boom, one day all the codes or all quantum computers are able to crack all Bitcoin wallets. Okay. The private keys to all the public keys or many public keys or whatever. It's not going to be an event. It's going to be a trickle, and then the trickling is going to get faster and faster. And I said this, a year and a half ago when the Bitcoin Core guy got his wallet just drained. I said it was strange. And we seen a few other incidents just like that, where wallets just all out of nowhere been drained. And it's like something doesn't seem right. If you're going to have a person who is the poster child for OPSEC, operational security, in regards to handling their Bitcoin and everything, you would think it would be a Bitcoin Core guy, a guy that's like on the team, right? So I get, it's possible that it's not, that he could have made a mistake, but I'm giving him the best opportunity to not make mistakes. And his stuff got drained. So I've seen a couple of those, and it just makes me think. Trickle, 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 tick, tick, boom. That's how it's going to happen. Elon awarded his possible $1 trillion package. Dr. Evil Voice. Yeah, I heard that the shareholders of Tesla agreed to give him the $1 trillion payday, which is diabolical. What is that, in stock shares? It can't be in money. Must be in shares, right? But we are making some progress here with the altcoins, as you guys see, getting closer and closer to the bloodline. We did just take out this region as far as previous high. Okay, we had a swoop here. It's like a stretched out A, but we have a pronounced A here, which we took out. And we took out this A here. So we need to take out this A right here, which is essentially almost at the bloodline. So I think we're going in the right direction, ladies and gentlemen, for today. I really do think that that's the case. Let's jump back over to Scalpalytics Pro and take a look at. Yep, I missed some good trades here, guys. Another take profit right here, 25% take profit on the Ethereum trade long. We already took 50% off right here. It's looking good. It's most definitely looking good. Now let's talk about this DeFi contagion situation. So Stream Finance, I've never, I'm done with the DeFi. I was done with DeFi after DeFi season 1. I'll be honest with you. I'm done after all of the, the sushi coin, sushi fi and all that stuff, man. I'm done. But Stream Finance lost 50% of their TVL today or yesterday or something like that. 50%. What the hell happened? How did this happen? I don't know, man. But they put a post out a couple of days ago, actually. And it says here, yesterday, an external fund manager overseeing Stream funds disclosed the loss of approximately 93 million in Stream fund assets. In response, Stream is in the process of engaging Keith Miller and Joseph Cutler of the law firm Perkins Coie to lead a comprehensive investigation into the incident. We are actively withdrawing all liquid assets and expect this process to be completed in the near term. To keep our stakeholders informed, we will provide periodic updates. So it looks like this possibly could have been a hack, like an internal hack, not a hack of the actual protocol. Occam's razor says human error. Okay, it's possible. It's possible, but I don't know, man. It's that we are showing all the signs of a quantum, post-quantum world where it's a trickle, boom, boom. You're not going to get all the wallets hacked at one time. It's going to take time. If people have quantum machines and they're, constantly trying to hack at it, it's going to take some time. It's going to definitely take some time. So that looks like what happened here. It doesn't look like an actual protocol hack, which makes it a lot better. Definitely makes it a lot better. So DeFi protocol specializing involved in market neutral strategies announced a surprising loss of almost 50% of their TVL. Market neutral strategies protocol announces a loss of over 93 million, likely tied to recent market volatile events. The incident is currently under investigation. I don't know. We'll see. Yielding more, a syndicate covering contagious run, covering protocols such as Elixir, Euler, and Silo Finance, and more. Trading program covers the root cause of the Stream Finance. So let's see what they have to say here. So trading strategy protocol said on October 10th, Red Friday, the root cause of Stream X USD blow up, the longer version. Stream X USD is a tokenized hedge fund masquerading as a DeFi stablecoin claiming to run delta neutral strategies. Now Stream has gone underwater in questionable circumstances over the past 5 years. Multiple projects have followed this playbook, attempting to bootstrap their own coin or token through revenue generated from delta neutral investments. Some successfully do it, like MakerDAO, Frax. I used to love Frax. Aave or Av and Athena. Unlike many of its truer DeFi competitors, Stream lacked transparency regarding its strategy and positions. Only 150 million of the claim 500 million was visible on chain. Oh, that's that right there is you don't mess with any DeFi that doesn't have everything on chain. That's silly. No. So if a quantum computer is, and this is AI's question about quantum, Bitcoin quantum cliff, I call it, which is going to happen. It's so these machines don't know which wallets are hot or cold. I mean, the quantum algos that are looking at the public keys of these, because they're just probably going off of like higher balances, right? Those are bigger honeypots. So if you just point your quantum machine at a public key and use quantum algorithms to try to decode the private key, it doesn't know if that wallet is a cold wallet or a hot wallet. It just knows the address of the wallet. So I would say no to your question there. Let me let's reshare the screen, and this time let's do it without sharing sound, because I know that sounds annoying to you, hearing the cha-ching all day, all the money printing going on. Hit that like button. We got 120 people in the building right now. We need those likes to get up. So take that time right now to hit the like button for me. How many people we have over on X right now? Got about 60 people on X. So almost 200 people all together. I'm not streaming on Rumble today. But hit that like button if you like this content. You like the trading that we're doing live. Unfortunately, it's the second day in a row I have not been able to give you a live trade because we're missing the trades. A lot of the trades are initiating at 10 o'clock this week. Typically, we would be able to get a trade in. Even though I trade at stream at 11 o'clock, I'm typically able to get, you go back and look at past streams, we're still able to make money during the 11 o'clock hour. Just this week, and markets change. This week has just been a little off. So Mastermind says, I wouldn't be surprised if an entity like BlackRock uses a quantum computer to quote unquote secure the Bitcoin network by taking over Satoshi's coins. You think quantum is for building first or hacking first? Not sure I understand your question there, Wisdom Bars. It's not for either. It's literally just a different way of computing ones and zeros, where you're able to take in at the machine code level, take in ones and zeros at the same time. It's a superposition, so that allows you to make more calculations instead of waiting for a one or a zero. It's a 1 and 0, which is crazy. So this is not, we talked about this on the stream either earlier this week or last week. So there are two components to Bitcoin's encryption, and most blockchain networks. You got like the mining part of it. And for Bitcoin, the mining side of it is your SHA-256. How you find new coins and all that. SHA-256. That's the mining side, which would technically be easier to quantum resist than the what is it called? Acyclical, whatever it's called, which is the encryption side for your public private keys. So you got the hashing, mining side, and then you got the actual private public key side. I'm worried about the private public key side, not the hashing. or the mining, because miners are pretty centralized. So you can get everyone to upgrade their mining software and protocols, but the public private key situation is the issue. Do you think they'll ever allow regular people to own quantum computers ever? Yeah, that's, you can't not allow it. Markets are going to, yeah, you'll be able to have them. What's going to happen? So here's what's going to happen. This is the direction we're going as a planet, as a human race. We're going towards a technology, AI, and quantum paired together are going to, we're heading toward a wall of equality, the great equality, where no secret is secret, where no person has technology that someone else doesn't have, because it's all available, right? You have quantum computers at the fingertips of every individual pretty much. You'll have AI, with IQs of 5,000, like insane knowledge, where the average person can sit down and create what Einstein did in 30, 40 years. You can do in a couple seconds, create all types of stuff. So we're going towards a society where the playing field is level, and the powers that be, you can call them the cabal, whatever you want to call them, they really don't like this, because it levels the playing field. Now, in order to get to that, if you want to call it utopia, we got to go through a lot of pain, because the current system is going to be completely destroyed. See, on the other side of that Rubicon, of that bridge, the other side to utopia doesn't involve money. There is no money. The concept of money is eliminated. The concept of capitalism, eliminated. Even socialism, none of that stuff is needed, because there is no need for currency at that point. Everything is abundant. Energy is abundant. The means of creating things abundant. So they don't really, that's where we're heading. If they don't stage some type of end of world reset themselves, then that's where we're going. And there's a huge possibility that they will try to attempt to reset shit, to make sure they can keep, knock us back 1,000 years and boom, run the script again. Round of applause. No, it's not. It doesn't work like that. So quantum is definitely a net positive, because again, it's part of the equation to getting to what I just pretty much described, that utopian land where everything is equal. Because capitalism, even in its best form, I'm gonna be honest with you, I have businesses, run multiple businesses. Even in its best form, capitalism is still a parasitic type of structure, where you're extracting from the masses, right? You give them something that they need, in exchange they give you a whole bunch of money back, right? And you and the wealth kind of over time will concentrate in the upper percentiles of society, right? So then you have extreme versions of capitalism, which we're experiencing right now. I call it crony capitalism, where the corporate big wigs and Wall Street and all, they're just siphoning and rent seeking, and they're basically eating on themselves. It's cannibalism at this point. It's so, self-destructive, because they're literally killing the very they're killing the host. The hosts are the middle class. And maybe the lower class, but more so the middle class. They're the hosts. And the parasite being, you know, the people that run the system, they're killing their own hosts. And it's so crazy and ironic that they actually think, and we got this big circle jerk right now going on on Wall Street. They're calling it circular financing. Let's see if I can bring this up. Bring this up really quickly. You guys got to see this shit. It's just retarded, man. This is what's going on right now. Hit that like button, ladies and gents. We're dropping some knowledge for you. It's still applicable to crypto and blockchain and trading, I guess. Maybe not. Yeah, I don't care. I don't have any trades for you anyway right now. We're kind of out of the realm of entering a trade, guys. We missed our signal on Scalpalytics Pro for Ethereum, and we're still way too deep into the money on this short from Bitcoin that was initiated yesterday morning. Okay, so that's why we're talking we're on some off topic. We're taking a detour today. All right, but look, this is the circular financing that's going on right now. Among the like Mag 7, I guess, and plus Mag 7 plus. But look at this. Nvidia, the big dog, encompassing it all. Like they're in the middle. They're the lifeblood of this. Right? So they're just going back and forth, swapping the money, going back and forth, increasing valuation. Every time they go back and forth, it creates more valuation. It's a circle jerk of nonsense. Okay? No real wealth being created here. So they think this is the irony of it all. So they're putting all of this money into AI and everything. They're putting all this money into AI, but the crazy thing is AI is going to eliminate the host, which are your middle class, the people that go work for these big companies and corporations and such. So they're going to eliminate the need for them, which in turns eliminates their revenue stream. Who buys the shit that they sell? The people that work for them. So if they don't have a job, then how are they going to buy the... You get where I'm going with this. Okay, I'm glad you understand. Complete and utter nonsense. So it's just, it's so crazy that this is going to happen, but this is the direction we're going, where eventually the whole equation of capitalism, the whole, I guess you can call it pyramid, the whole pyramid of capitalism is going to crush under its own doing. And you're going to have people, you're going to have companies, they're not going to have anyone to buy their services. Now, you might say, well, we'll have UBI. Well, UBI is essentially, it's just money given from the government, right? So unless the government taxes them an exorbitant amount of money and then redistributes it to the people, it still is a circle jerk where no new money can be really, like, the loop is closed. It's the end. It can't go any further than this with AI being in the equation. So even UBI in its current, form is not an equation or a solution to the equation. Wisdom Bar says, what do you think of NVIDIA's CEO saying China will win the race? That spells major turmoil for the market and economy concerning how big NVIDIA is, and the Adam Altman OpenAI mess too. Nasty stuff ahead. And that you bring up a good point and another point. Another monkey in the wrench. Like, China will win the race. And guess what? All this money, all these trillions of dollars sloshing back and forth around, especially into OpenAI. OpenAI is like sucking up so much capital, right? They're sucking up so much capital to just lose. They're not going to win. Somebody out over in the East is going to, we're going to have a DeepSeek 2.0 event. And it'll be the final one because they'll have pretty much, what do you call it? They'll have AGI this time when they come out. It'll be AGI for free for everyone. They'll just release it. And it's going to kill OpenAI's whole model because they've been built on a house of trillions of dollars of Wall Street investment. This is Wall Street clawing. It's like the claw, the death grip. You know, they're trying so hard to survive, and this is their attempt. They're just printing and pushing trillions of dollars into each of these companies, just trying to survive, and it won't happen. Something out of the East will definitely come in at a fraction, penny on a dollar, maybe even less than that. A tenth of a penny on the dollar. Come out with AGI for everyone, and it's going to kill this whole Ponzi scheme. Who wins, quantum computing or the money printer? Quantum computing. I call a bailout. They really are too big to fail. But yes, you're right. But the bailout won't do it. It doesn't fix the problem. The problem is that somebody is out of the East is going to come with a solution, AGI, that is fractions of a penny on the dollar. So giving them money is not going to fix the problem. So this is how we end up at the end, my friend. Hit the like button, share the stream. Didn't have any trades for you today, but hopefully you enjoyed my pontification on quantum computers and AI and where we're going from here. It's going to be interesting for sure. It's going to be interesting. Now, this afternoon, let me just see if I can cue this up really quickly. Let's go over here to, give me 1 second, guys. I want to bring this up. So this afternoon, we are going to have, you know, I do my weekly show over on MGBX. Shout out to MGBX. Go and follow them right now, MGBX_global. But we are doing a live stream weekly recap of the crypto week. It's going to be interesting today. Okay. So come join us. I got a special guest, Jenna X. Shout out to Jenna. She'll be joining me today for the weekly market review. So definitely come. It's only on X. So follow me on X, CryptoBlood_, and definitely follow Jenna. Okay. And follow MGBX_global. Again, that's where we'll be streaming it on X only. So come join us 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be giving away $50 as well. All right. That's it. I do miss the rundown show. Yeah, we're gonna get that back, Hyden. I'm gonna get it back, bro. I'm gonna get it back cracking. I'm gonna get it back cracking. The rundown. I missed the rundown too. We gotta bring the rundown show back. And that theme song. I love that theme song. So we'll bring the Rundown Show back this fall on Red Nugent 2. So go follow the Red Nugent 2 on YouTube. That's all where all my kind of non-crypto related stuff will be. But in the meantime and in between time, come join me at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today for the weekly market review. Special guest Jenna X. All right, I'm out of here, people.
Yo, it's crypto blood, Detroit flow, screaming from the D, knowing what to show. Indicators are wrong point, OG since 12, invested in trade, living life like a pro. I'm Rucker, Jerry, it's just blood too. Bad motherfucker, but in a good way, boo. Got my eyes on the charts, ain't no time to sleep. Kick that money, gotta keep it creep. That's why crypto blood, Twisted Toasters on the line. Stacking my coin, got the market on my mind. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum too. Cash is king, but I'm looking for a new move. I know the culture of the markets like the streets. Got my finger on the pulse, can't nobody beat. I see the trends, I see the flow. Got my strategies in place.
Stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, stacking my coin, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, cash. Since I was born, been stacking my coin. These niggas pop, my money keep growing. Your girl is a dot, she all on my groin. She blowing my horn, we fuck like porn. These rappers is whack, they lyrics is corn. I'm getting this money, it never get born. Loading my trap, they calling law. Fuck around and you clap for running your jaw. If it ain't about the dollars, then it don't make sense. Got me sipping brown water, but it ain't from Flint. Trying to chase all this bread, though the shit won't last. About to shut the city down like a crypto crash.
Do it live! I'll write it and we'll do it live!
Okay. Ready?
Fucking thing sucks! We'll do it live.
Okay.